How can I qualify for low-income assistance for dental implants?
So how can I qualify? The question is, how can I qualify for low income assistance for dental implant? So I'm not sure whether the reader is, this follower is referring to if she's on a low income, whether she can qualify for a dental implants, or she's trying to see how she can fit the dental implants into her budget. If she is on a low income assistance, and like for example, like I'm just going to name something, if she's on a Medicare plan, for example, and there are some Medicare plans which are the low income plans, and they are not going to be able to cover dental implants under their plan. So unfortunately my hands are tied as far as what I could do to help those kind of patients. However, before I go to the next part of the question, so I'm just picking Medicare as an example. So there are many plans, not just Medicare, and I do have a lot of good plans. The patients come from great employees, and they still have a great plan. For example, I have federal employees. They have $20,000-$30,000 in coverage from the federal government, but they don't have dental implant coverage, or even if they did have implant coverage, the coverage is only like about 20%. So if you have a $10,000 treatment that needs to be done, 20% is only $2,000, and then you still have to come up with about $8,000 out of pocket to get the treatment done. Or if you have a plan that does not cover dental implants at all, zero, so then you are out by $10,000. So if you have a plan that is either a low income plan or a plan that is not going to assist you with the dental implants, then your investment is going to be very high. However, going back to the second part of the question, what we talked about earlier, if you are somebody who are looking for some kind of a budget options to make it fit within your budget and the lifestyle, we offer multiple payment options to our patients. I'm not going to say every single patient that is going to come into my practice will be able to qualify for those type of treatment, but we are able to help many patients that other offices, dental offices, they were not able to help, and then we were able to come up with some creative plans that are going to fit their budget to be able to help them. For example, in my office, we offer about 3 or 4 different banks that we work with, and then we have high-end, middle income groups, and these the top 3-4 banks that we normally work with, they qualify them. But we do have some low-income group, and these top 3 or 4 banks, they are not able to qualify for those people. So now we have other banks that we work with for those people with the low income. We have other payment options or other bank options that we are able to work with. So the long story short again, to answer your question is whether you're going to be able to qualify for a dental implant, or whether we can help you or your dentist can help you fit this into your budget and lifestyle. That would be a great question for your dentist. So have a honest conversation with your patient when you go back to your dentist, or when you come to our office, and just let us know what your credit score is, or what is your budget. So then we should be able to let you know whether this is something that we will be able to help you within our power. And we look forward to seeing you if you are in the area in our office, around our office. Yeah.
Yeah.